So good morning to all. Once again, I'm happy to meet you. Stay home, stay safe. So application of derivatives, the final subtopic which I'm going to take now. So please be serious. These are subtopics which I have taken earlier. One is increasing and decreasing functions, tangents and normals, errors and approximations, maximum, minima, all the sums. I have given you the introductions, example sums, rate measure also I have taught all the sums. Now final subtopic which is very important, which based on your talent, that is practical skill. So what is the algorithm for this particular subtopic for all the sums which I am going to teach you now is first one. In the previous sums I have given you the f of x and you have done f dash of x, everything, but the coming word problems, f of x will not be given. You have to find out the f of x. F of x will not be given. F of x you have to find out. You have to find out f of x, and then remaining steps are all same. What you have to do, second step, that is f dash of x. Put f dash of x is equal to 0. Find the critical points. F double dash of x, find f double dash of x. Substitute x values. If f double dash of x is less than 0 na, that is said to be maximum. If f double dash of x is greater than 0 na, that is said to be minimum. And if they are asking you values, I already told you that if they are asking you values, find the maximum value, find the minimum value, find the maximum value or find the minimum value na, you have to substitute x values in the question. This is your algorithm for all the word problems. Very easy algorithm. That f of x you have to find out. F dash one time differentiate, put is equal to 0, find the critical points, find f double dash of x, substitute the x values in the f double dash of x. If f double dash of x is less than 0, it is maximum. If f double dash of x is greater than 0, it is minimum. They ask you, they sure in all the word problems they will ask you the values. Therefore, to find the maximum and minimum values, substitute the x value in f of x. So there are approximately 44 sums in word in R.D. Sharma. In textbooks there are many word problems are there. So for this chapter, solve the word problems which is in the textbook first priority, and then go for the previous year board paper. Sure you'll get an idea. The only thing is, main thing, your practical knowledge. Read the question once and twice. I will try my level best to teach as many sums in this subtopic. So you can take your textbook. So in your textbook, the word column starts in the page number 233, exercise number 6.5. So I'll write that also. So page number 233, exercise 6.5. The question number starts from 13 onwards. So question number 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, it goes on. So 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25 and 26. These are the exercise word problems, and miscellaneous word. Once you know the exercise word problems, miscellaneous word problem will be very easy for you. So I'll start with this note. I'll start the word problem, see the video carefully and form the f of x. Remaining everything you can do on your own. The first one I'll go for 13th sum. That is 13th sum is find two numbers whose sum is 24 and whose product is as large as possible. That is page number 233, question number, page number 233, question number 13. Find two numbers whose sum is 24 and whose product is as large as possible. Read the question, okay? So you have to divide into three parts. So whatever the question given, read. First given part. Find two numbers whose sum is 24. So first one is given. Question number 13. Given. Given what they given? Sum equal to 24. Next. To prove product is large as possible. So you have to prove that product equal to large. Large means one more word is maximum. So therefore you have to prove the maximum. Maximum now what is it? Same step. Find f of x, f dash of x, same thing. F double dash of x should come less than 0. Okay, so very easy. Sum of two numbers. First one, let the two numbers, imagine, let the two numbers let the two numbers be x comma y. Sum of two number is 24. It means x plus y equal to 24. This is your first equation. In that class 7th portion, either you can take x equal to 24 minus y or y equal to 24 minus x. It's up to you. It's not up to me. It's up to you. Okay. Now to prove product is maximum, right? So product na P. Product now what is the meaning? Two numbers you have to multiply. So you can't differentiate. I already told you while teaching in C&D chapter, you can't differentiate because two variable irukku, you can't differentiate panna mudiyadhu. So you have to convert into one variable. அப்பதான் உங்களுக்கு f dash of x, f double dash of x எல்லாமே உங்களுக்கு ஈஸியா வரும். இல்லனா உங்களுக்கு கஷ்டமா இருக்கும். So product equal to either x equal to substitute பண்ணாலும் சரி இல்ல y equal to substitute பண்ணாலும் சரி. உன்னுடைய இஷ்டம் தான், யாருக்கும் தடுக்க மாட்டாங்க. So x, y க்கு பதிலா என்ன போடலாம்? So 24 minus x. So அப்போ product equal to 24x minus x square. இதுதான் உன்னுடைய f of x. So நான் ஏற்கனவே சொன்ன மாதிரி f of x they won't give you in the question. F of x we have to find out. So very important step is f of x we have to find out. அதுக்கப்புறம் as usual normal step என்ன பண்ணனும் சொல்லிருக்கேன். f dash of x differentiate as usual. You can go on. It's very easy. இதுக்கப்புறம் so இதுக்கப்புறம் என்ன பண்ண சொன்னேன். f dash of x is equal to ஒரு முறை differentiate பண்ணா என்ன வரும்? This is 24 minus 2x. அடுத்த step number 2. இது step number 1. இது step number 2. இப்போ step number 3. இது என்ன பண்ணனும்? f dash of x equal to 0 போடணும். அப்ப நான் f dash of x is equal to 0 னா என்ன வரும்? 24 minus 2x equal to 0. So 24 equal to 2x. அப்ப x equal to என்ன வரும்னா 12. Critical points. அடுத்தது step number 4. ரெண்டாவது முறை differentiate பண்ணு. f double dash of x என்ன வரும்? minus 2. 24 minus 2x differentiate பண்ணா 0 minus 2. So straight away உனக்கு வந்து இங்க x ஏ இல்ல. Suppose இங்க x வந்துச்சுனா இந்த critical point substitute பண்ணி less than 0 வந்தா maximum, greater than 0 வந்தா minimum. ஆனா இங்க x ஏ வரல. ஏனா f dash of x differentiate பண்ணினா 0 minus 2x minus 2. So which is less than 0. Therefore it is product is நம்ம என்ன எழுதணும் answer maximum. Okay, find two numbers னு கேட்டாங்க. அப்போ step number 5. Find two numbers னா so x equal to 2 எடுத்துட்டு போயிட்டு equation number 1. அது என்னது equation number 1? x plus y equal 24. x equal 12 போட்டினா. So 12 plus y equal to 24. அப்போ y equal to 12. Therefore final answer, final touch. x equal to 12, y equal to 12 னு முடிக்கணும். So one more time teach பண்றேன். First given the sum of two number is 24. Part of two number is we have to prove large na maximum, least na minimum. First let the two numbers x and y ni imagine பண்ணிக்க. So x plus y equal to 24. Either x equal to எழுதிக்க இல்ல y equal to எழுதிக்க, depends upon your substitution here. Suppose இங்க வந்து நீ x க்கு substitute பண்ணினா என்ன வரும்? 24 minus y ன்னு போட்டுருப்ப. Then differentiate பண்ணும்போது f dash of x வராது, f dash of y வரும். As usual same answer தான் வரும். அதனால ஒண்ணும் கவலையே படாத. Next, so x equal y substitute பண்ணிக்க, உள்ள multiply பண்ணி ஒரு formation கொண்டு வந்திருக்கேன். This is said to be f of x. Step number 1. Step number 2. Differentiate one time, put equal to 0, find the critical point, double time differentiation. If it is negative, straight away வந்துச்சு luckily. If it is less than 0, maximum. If it is greater than 0, minimum. But we have to prove large only. Large na maximum correcta prove பண்ணிட்டோம். Next, find the two numbers they asked you. So substitute x equal to 12 in the x plus y equal to 24. You will get the y value. These are the two numbers. So based on this, I'll move on to the 13th sum I completed. Now I'll move on to the 14th sum. 14th sum என்ன கொடுத்திருக்காங்க? Find two positive numbers x and y such that x plus y equal to 60. Prove that xy cube is maximum. So xy cube is maximum na same concept தான் given to prove. So I'll wipe out 13th question. I have completed. Now I'll move on to the 14th one. Now 14th question. First step, what is given? Given is find two positive numbers x and y such that x plus y equal to 60. So x plus y equal to 60. Okay. To prove. What is to prove? They asked you to find out xy cube is maximum. So let us keep a letter on the xy cube. Xy cube is என்ன prove பண்ணனும்? Maximum. So in the xy cube bara ஏதோ letter வச்சுக்க. Let me keep us okay, v in ஏதோ I will keep as a v. Okay. So solution, very easy solution. What is the first step? X plus y equal to 60. Either x equal to 60 minus y or y equal to 60 minus x. உன்னுடைய இஷ்டம் சொல்லிட்டேன் நான். அடுத்தது next prove that is v equal to நம்ம இப்ப எதை நோக்கி போயிட்டு இருக்கோம்? f of x we have to find out. அதனால இப்போ v equal to v ன்றது I have taken my own letter xy cube. Substitute either for x, substitute either for y. உன்னுடைய இஷ்டம் தான், but calculation part you have to get less number of calculations. Okay, so அதனால if you substitute, imagine if you substitute for y 60 minus x ன்னு substitute பண்ணா whole cube வரும், ஃபார்முலா பெருசா இருக்கும். 60 minus y in substitute பண்ணினா you will get a little calculation ரொம்ப கம்மியா வரும். So in place of x க்கு பதிலா 60 minus y into y cube. அப்ப v equal to multiply 60 y cube minus y to the power 4. So இதுதான் உன்னுடைய f of x. இப்போ differentiate பண்ணு. f of x ன்னு போடக்கூடாது, ஏன்னா என்னென்ன variables இருக்குங்க? y. அதனால we can put f of y. So step number 1, we have found f of y. Step number 2. Now step number 2 என்ன போட்டுருக்காங்க? f dash ஒரு முறை differentiate பண்ணு. f dash of y, அதாவது with respect to y தான் போட்டுருக்கேன். அப்பனா 60 constant, y cube differentiate பண்ணா 3y square. ஏன் இங்க into y dash வராது? With respect to y தான் பண்றேன், அதனால இங்க y dash வராது. நல்லா பாத்துக்க. சப்போஸ் உங்களுக்கு ரொம்ப கஷ்டமா இருந்துச்சுன்னா உன் மனசுல இமேஜின் அது x ன்னு இமேஜின் பண்ணீங்கன்னா 60 x cube பண்ணா என்ன வரும் அந்த மாதிரி இமேஜின் பண்ணிக்க. With respect to y பண்ணும்போது with y dash வராது. இதெல்லாம் ஆல்ரெடி many sums were given you. Minus y power 4 பண்ணா 4y cube. Okay. Now step number 3. f dash of y equal to 0 போடணும். அப்ப என்ன வரும் சொல்லு? So f dash of y equal to 0. f dash of y என்ன இருக்கு நம்ம கிட்ட? 180y square. 180y square minus 4y cube equal to 0. So அப்பனா 180y square na I'll get, so you put equal to 0. எதெல்லாம் காமனா இருக்கலாம்? You will take 4 as a common, y square as a common. மிச்சம் இருக்கிறது 4y square common எடுத்தீங்கன்னா you will get 45 minus y equal to 0. Now father into mother equal to 0. So father equal to 0, mother equal to 0. அப்பனா 4y square equal to 0. Remaining part 45 minus y equal to 0. So y equal to 0 வந்திருக்கு, y equal to 45 வந்திருக்கு. So find two numbers when அப்படின்னா find two positive numbers. For y equal to 0 வந்து not possible இருக்கும். எதுமே substitute பண்ணாலும் உங்களுக்கு 60 தான் வரும் இன்னொன்னு. So y equal to 45 is a valid one. Next, so critical points கண்டுபிடிச்சாச்சு. Step number 4. Step number 4 என்ன கொடுத்திருக்காங்க? Double derivative. எங்க இருக்கு பாரு? First derivative எங்க இருக்கு? Therefore double derivative second time differentiate பண்ணா என்ன வரும்? Second time differentiate பண்ணா இது என்ன வரும்? 180. இது வந்து 180. y square differentiate பண்ணா 2y minus 4. y cube differentiate பண்ணா 3y square. So என்ன சொன்ன, find the substitute the critical points. Substitute y equal to 45 in the above. இப்போ இதுல என்ன பியூட்டினா, இந்த y equal to 45 எடுத்து substitute பண்ணி values கண்டுபிடிக்கணும்னு அவசியம் கிடையாது. Please note it down. Very important point is you have to substitute y equal to 5 in the f double dash. அது என்ன நம்பர்னு நீ சொல்ல வேண்டிய அவசியம் கிடையாது. It is a less than 0 or greater than 0 னு நீ mind calculation போட்டா கூட போதும். But you have to substitute பண்ணி காமிக்கணும். f double dash of 45 equal to 180 into 2 into 45 minus 4 into 3 into 45 square. So either is a topper or below average or average. I won't ask you to find out the value for this one. I will ask you to find out whether it's a negative or 45. For me it is negative. அது என்ன வேல்யூ நீயே பாத்துக்க. It is less than 0. Less than 0. F double dash less than 0 வந்தாவே my answer will be maximum. So இந்த வேல்யூ போடணும்னு அவசியம் கிடையாது. Find out whether it's a negative or positive. ரொம்ப சின்ன நம்பரா இருந்தா find out minus 8000 அந்த சின்ன நம்பர் தான் கண்டுபிடி. If it is a bigger number, just mind substitute பண்ணி கண்டிப்பா காமிக்கணும். You have to substitute. But this value எழுத தேவையில்லை. Less than 0 or greater than 0 alone you can put. Next, one number is 45 na, other number will be x plus y equal to 60. அப்பனா the final step number 5. Y equal to 45 na, x plus y equal to 60. அப்போ x equal to 15. So final answer x equal to 15, y equal to 45. Easiest sum. You have to concentrate more while I'm teaching. Okay, so 14th sum also I completed. I'll move on to the 15th one. Same model, 15th one. The next one is 15th one. Find two positive numbers x and y whose sum is 35. Same model. So 15th sum. First one given. That is given is x plus y equal to 35. Okay. So to prove x square y power 5. X square y power 5 is what I have to prove. Maximum or minimum? I have to put maximum. So imagine this letter is V. Okay. Something you can imagine any letter. So as I said earlier, so x plus y equal to 35 now you can put either x equal to 35 minus y or y equal to 35 minus x. So therefore v equal to x square y power 5. Either, so you guys will be asking me doubt, why always you are substituting y equal to, because the calculation will be less. If you can substitute for x also, no problem, but you decide. So I'll put this is v equal to, in place of y I substitute, or in place of x I substitute, or in place of x I will substitute. So x in place na 35 minus y the whole square into y to the power 5. So you can expand and you can multiply with y power 5, or it is easy for you. So this is your f of y. In place of f of x you can put f of y also. So therefore I will put the box. So there are two methods from here onwards. Either you can expand a minus b whole square and then multiply with each term y power 5 and then differentiate. Or no sir, I need to save the time now, just go ahead, because two functions are nearby. Okay, so both the method I will do, my dear, both the method. You decide which method, because below average students will go for method 1, toppers will go for method 2. What is method 2? Method 2 is f of y equal to 35 minus y the whole square into y to the power 5. UV formula. But below average or average students will go for this method. F of y equal to expand 35a square b square minus 2ab into y to the power 5. Now again, f of y equal to 35 square. So 35 square you will get approximately 35, you will get 35 into 35. So 35 into 35 you will get 1225. So 1225 y to the power 5 plus, if you multiply this one, y to the power 7. If you multiply this one, minus 70 y to the power 6. This is your f of y. You can now differentiate as your wish. As usual, f dash and then find the critical points. If I go with uv formula, that is f dash of y, uv formula, u v dash plus v u dash. So I'll go with u v dash. If you differentiate y to the power y, what you will get? 5y to the power 4 plus husband வச்சுக்கிட்டு wife differentiate பண்ணிட்டேன். இப்போ wife வச்சுக்கிட்டு husband differentiate பண்றேன். So husband differentiate பண்ணா என்ன வரும்? பவர் முன்னாடி வரும். பவர்ல 1 ரெடியூஸ் ஆகும். டாட் bracket குள்ள போயிட்டே. இப்ப பவரை differentiate பண்ணா இப்போ bracket குள்ள differentiate பண்ணா வரும் 35 differentiate பண்ணா 0 minus y differentiate பண்ணா -1. Method 1, method 2. Expanding and then you have to differentiate. If you differentiate here also, f dash of y equal to, if you differentiate 1225, 5y to the power 4, 7y to the power 6, 420y to the power 5. Okay, so this is method 1, this is method 2. Now your job is to find out the critical points, because f dash one time differentiate பண்ணியாச்சு. In both the methods, if you put this equal to 0, what is the critical point? If you put this equal to 0, what is the critical point? So you decide. I will go with the direct answer. So if you put equal to 0, f dash of equal to 0 now, you will get the y value is 0, 25, 35. So be very careful whichever method you are going, also no problem. Otherwise I go with the basic method and you guys can follow this method. So I differentiated f dash. So f of y I found out. F of y, what is f of y? So this is your f of y. So f dash of y, the next step is put f dash of y equal to 0. You can go for this method also. Put equal to 0, take it up common. எதனா உன்னால காமனா எடுக்க முடியுமோ எல்லாத்தையும் காமனா எடு. It's your talent. Okay, I'll go for the below average students method. So that is 1225 5y to the power 4 plus 7y to the power 6 minus 420y to the power 5 equal to 0. So equal to 0. இதெல்லாம் இப்ப காமனா எடுத்து தூர தள்ளிடலாம். So I can take it out. Common is or y to the power 4. I can take it as a common. Next I can take it as a common is, you check it whether 7 tables goes on. 7 table 52, 49, 35. 7 tables goes on. And this is 7 table goes on. So I can take it as 7y to the power, everything I have taken common. So remaining I will get 7 table I have taken common outside. So 1, 4, 5 into 5. Okay, this 5 I have written. Plus 7 I have taken, y to the power 6 I have, y to the power 4 I have taken. Remaining will be y square minus 7 I have taken. 60, y to the power 4 I have taken. So y equal to 0. So father equal to 0, mother equal to 0. Mother is a quadratic equation. So therefore from here there are 2, that is 7y to the power 4 equal to 0. So I got y equal to 0. And this one is a quadratic. Y square minus 60y plus 5, 22 to 7 equal to 0. If you factorize, you will get 35, 25. So y equal to 35 and y equal to 25. So I got 3 critical points. What is the next step? You have to differentiate double time. Where is f dash of y? Here. F dash of y, differentiate double time. Differentiate double time. Substitute the critical points. If it is less than 0, maximum. If it is greater than 0, minimum. and then substitute y equal to, therefore the two numbers. So y, you got the y value, substitute in the first one, you will get a x value. So I got the x value is for y equal to 25, y equal to 25 na, x equal to 10, y equal to 35, x value 0, and y equal to 0, I got x value is 35. So this is your answer. So kindly refer that. I'll teach one more time this sum. The given is this one. Substitute in either x equal to or y equal to your choice. I can go with x or y also. I have gone with x equal to. There are two methods, y method 1, method 2. Method 1 is just expand a minus b whole square and multiply inside. This is your f of y. Differentiate one time, put equal to 0, find the critical points. Double time you have to differentiate. Next step, you guys have to continue. You have to continue, okay? And you have to double time differentiate. Substitute the critical points. It is f double dash is less than 0. If you put y equal to 0, nothing will be happening. If you put x equal to 35, what will happen? If you put f double dash la, if you put f double dash la, y equal to 25, what will happen? Next, go and substitute in the question, find the other number. Method 2, UV formula. This is UV formula. Now in that, you can take 35 minus y as a common, y power 4 as a common, then put equal to 0, then double time differentiate, same method. Next, I'll move on to the 16 sum. Find two positive numbers whose sum is 16 and whose cube is minimum. This remaining steps you have to continue and finish it off. The next is 16th sum. Find two positive numbers whose sum is 16 and sum of whose cube is minimum. So 16th sum given. The sum of two numbers is x plus y is equal to 16. So either you put x equal to 16 minus y or y equal to 16 minus x. And sum of something they are asking you to add. So sum of na, they are asking you to add. Which one they are asking you to add? Sum of whose cube is minimum. So there are two numbers, right? X and y, two numbers whose cube is minimum. Apana they are asking us to cube. Sum na add, they are asking us to cube. In that, either substitute x value or either substitute y value. The choice is yours. So I'll move on to the. So this is your v equal to x cube plus, in place of y I can substitute either. That's I told you, it's your choice. I already told you. This is your f of x. So you have to minimize the steps. Okay. So what is the second step? You have to differentiate one time. F dash of x. So 3x cube. Either power will come in the front. Power la one reduce agum dot bracket kulla the differentiate panna minus 1. Next you have to put. Next step is you have to put equal to 0, right? So you have to put equal to 0. Now what is the next step? B f dash of x is equal to 0. So I'll simplify first of all. F dash of x is equal to 3x cube plus 3 times, this is 16 into 16, a square plus b square, a square plus b square minus 2ab into minus 1, not to forget this one. If you simplify, you will get, finally you will get 32x equal to 256, because we also 3x square, right? X cube differentiate panna, you will get 3x square. Therefore, if you simplify further, if you simplify now, therefore f dash of x is equal to 32x minus 256. 32x minus 256. You can check your answer. What is it? Next, you put step number. This is step number 1, 2, 3, 3. Step number 3, step number 2, step number 1. put f dash of x is equal to 0. So 32x minus 256 equal to 0. So x value is 8. This is your critical points. Now step number 4, differentiate second time f double dash. Where is f dash of x? So this is your f dash of x, final f dash of x. If you differentiate, you'll get directly 32. So directly 32 now f double dash of x, maybe. So I think if I have done somewhere mistake, please find out. So f dash of x is f double dash 6x. So maybe I have taken something common, something you check it. Okay, so finally I have got you check it f double dash of x equal to 8. F dash of x, maybe I have taken common and equal to put, then only I got 32x minus 256. Maybe some other thing come, you check it. Okay, you check it. X equal to 8 is a final value. Find step number 4, find f double dash of x. F double dash of x will be, you have to find f dash of x in that. So you have to prove it. Question number 16, minimum. So sure, f double dash of x will be greater than 0. Greater than 0 now your answer will be minimum. And substitute x equal, step number 5. Substitute x equal to 8 in x plus y equal to 16. So 8 plus y equal to 16. So y equal to 8. So the two numbers, x equal to 8, y equal to 8. And this one is your choice. So this is you have to do. So kindly find out f dash of x and f double dash of x. Okay. So 4 sums I have completed. In the next video, I'll put the remaining word problems one by one. So don't forget, this algorithm is find the f of x, differentiate one time equal to 0, critical points, double dash, substitute the double dash in substitute the x value in double dash, substitute, I'll write here also, substitute x equal to 8 in f double dash of x. If it is greater than 0, minimum. If it is less than 0, maximum, then substitute the value in the question. Okay. So thanks a lot. I will meet you in the next video with the remaining word problems.